What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again talking about Temu mobile app, and I'm gonna show you how to disable notifications from this app. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So basically, let's say you want to disable notifications from Temu. So it doesn't have to mean necessarily you don't like Temu app, but you just don't want to get their notifications. So there is quite an easy process. When you go on Temu app over here, as you can see, you cannot actually do much, but you can go to the U option in the bottom side of the screen, go to basically settings, then select notifications. So these notifications are the SMS notifications about the order updates. So we do not need these ones. So basically what you want to do is go to the settings of your Android phone. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not in English, so keep that in mind. So when you go to the settings of your phone, you need to go to the notifications. So when you go to the notifications, you can easily turn off your notifications. Just go to the apps and disable Temu app. So quite an easy process. Sorry for not being in English. So when you go to a U option in the Temu, when you go to settings, when you go to notifications, as you can see, you can edit it. So you can get it on email, you can get on SMS, you can have a push notification on your phone. So you can also turn off notifications on Temu app, and you can turn off notifications for Temu app for everything on your phone's notification settings. So guys, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.